Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to use Freeform floating windows and app bubbles on Motorola Razr Fold. To do it, you can open an app in Freeform in two different ways. You can either be in an app already, so let's open any app whatsoever. For example, Google. And if I'm in an app, I can either turn the app I have open into a floating app or open additional app in a floating window. So first I'll transition Google into a floating app. To do it, I'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner. Well, it can't for some reason be turned into the that way, but the other way it will be able to work. So I'll just try finding an app that can be easily transitioned. Definitely the calculator will. Yeah, I can find Freeform. Then I can find it. I can resize it. If I resize it too much, it will maximize it automatically. If I minimize it, it will turn into this minimized view, so it's not usable now. And when I click on it, it is usable. Then I can minimize it again, I can move it around, and then continue to use my phone, and whenever I want, I can just open that app to use it. I could also minimize it like that, and then it would show me this floating icon on the screen. I can also place it wherever I want. When I click on it, I can also open it. Now, I'll close it for now. The other way to open an app in floating view is, let's open LinkedIn, for example, and then slide it up just a tiny bit, just like half an inch from the bottom of the screen, and then it'll show you the bar. And then you can take an app and drag it to the center of the screen. Okay, Google just doesn't support Freeform, but Chrome does. So let's do Chrome. Let's press and hold on it, drag it to the center, and now as you can see, I have it in the floating view, so I can use a different app and just have this one on the side just for some quick tasks while using the other app. I can minimize it whenever I want, for example, like that. I can have multiple apps open in freeform mode, so let's do something else on top of that, like the calculator. And now I can minimize that one as well. Now I have two apps minimized, and I can click on them to unminimize them, to open them. And you can see I have now two on the screen, and I can still use LinkedIn in the back and use the two apps on top. Of course, as I said, you can resize them. You can also put them in split screen like that. I could even have three apps in split screen. And then on top of that, I could even put more floating apps. So let's do files this time. And now you can see how many apps I have open. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.